Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into something simple yet super useful: how to remove the recycle bin icon from your desktop in 2025. If your screen is feeling a bit cluttered or you're just aiming for a cleaner look, this is the guide for you. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother? The recycle bin is a holdover from older Windows versions, and while it's handy for restoring deleted files, not everyone wants it taking up space on their desktop. This method works on Windows 11 and later updates expected in 2025, so make sure you're on the latest build for the smoothest experience. Step 1. Head to your desktop and find an empty spot. Right-click anywhere there, and from the menu that pops up, select Personalize. This will open the Settings app, taking you straight to customization options. Next, in the Personalize settings, look for the Themes section on the left side. Click on it, and then scroll down until you see Desktop Icon Settings. Go ahead and click that. It might be under Related Settings if your interface is customized. Now, in the Desktop Icon Settings window, you'll see a list of icons that can appear on your desktop. Find the one labeled Recycle Bin and simply uncheck the box next to it. It's that straightforward. Once you've unchecked it, click Apply, and then OK to save your changes. Watch as the recycle bin icon vanishes from your desktop. Your screen just got a whole lot neater. A quick tip: if you ever want to bring it back, just follow the same steps and check the box again. Remember, removing the icon doesn't delete your files, it just hides the shortcut. If you're on an older system, these steps might differ, so double-check your OS version. There you have it, you've successfully decluttered your desktop. If this helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.